Hey you guys, it is time for a new quickie. It just occurred to me the other day that I've never shared a sardine recipe with you before until today. This is the way we prepare canned sardines in my country for breakfast or lunch. All the ingredients will be posted below, so let's get on with it. First, you will need to carefully remove the sardines from the can. You will then drain some of the oil, upon which you will gently slice open the sardines and remove the spine. Some people don't remove the spine, but in our family we do. When you're all done, your sardines should look a little something like this. And next you will add half a teaspoon of vinegar to the sardines, some salt to taste, and half of an onion finely chopped. You may also use shallots if you so desire. With your fork, you will now mash the sardines until they look like this. Personally, I just like the taste of some crushed pepper, so I added some to mine. And for some extra zing, I will also add a slice of this hot pepper, finely chopped. And of course, we're gonna mix it well. For these sandwiches, Mediterranean or Turkish bread is perfect. And this type of bread is very similar to the rolls we have in my country. You apply a light coat of butter to the bread, and you then top the bread with the sardine spread. Now, serve your sandwiches with some tea and enjoy. It has been years since I've had sardines this way, and I have to say, it brought back a ton of fond childhood memories. I hope you've enjoyed this quickie. Lord knows I have. If you decide to try this recipe, let me know how it turned out, because I'm always interested in hearing from you. In the meantime, do be well, take care, and until the next quickie.